Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's BattleBox time. That is a good size box right there. All right, so if you're unfamiliar with BattleBox, it is a subscription box service. It comes in tiers from your basic, advanced, pro, and pro plus box. And what happens is whatever tier that you subscribe to, you get that tier and everything below it. So this is Mission Brief 127. The theme for this month box is Prepared and Proven. September is National Preparedness Month, and there's no better time to take a stock of your gear, sharpen your plans, and hone your skills. This month's shipment is designed to prove one simple truth. You're either ready or you're not. So let's dive straight into it. So in the basic box, first we have the Wicked Rescue Burn and Wound Relief Balm. There we go. And that is it there. So this is by Wicked Rescue. It's got shea butter, beeswax, vitamin E, manuka honey, coconut oil. Soothes and protects dry and cracked skin. So the cover smells like nothing. And neither does the wax there. So this probably worked good if you get those calloused hands. Yeah, no smell to that. So this stuff is 100% food safe, organic, and vegan, which I'm sure you could also put some on your lips in a pinch. So that will definitely be good, especially like working out when it's, it's fall time around these parts right now. So it's going to start cooling off. So working out and about will get those hands starting to get dried and chapped. And that stuff will come in handy. So I'll probably keep that with, actually I'll probably keep that right here in the garage. So that way as I'm working, I have that available. Okay, moving on. Next, we've got the new Millennium Energy bars. So we get 3 bars with this. You've got lemon, chocolate, and raspberry. So 1 bar has 410 calories, 20 grams of fat, 11 grams of saturated fat, 0 grams of trans fat, 0 cholesterol, 15 milligrams of sodium, 54 grams of carbs, 1 dietary fiber, 31 grams of total sugar, 30 grams of added sugar, and 5 grams of protein. So we'll take a look at the lemon. We'll take a look at the lemon bar here. The ingredients: we've got sugar, palm oil, whole wheat, coconut, dextrose, vital wheat, gluten, corn syrup, soy lecithin, natural and artificial flavor, guar gum, calcium, propionate, citric acid, salt absorbic acid, ascorbic. It's got some stuff in there. All right, let's give this bad boy a try here. It's vacuum sealed. I don't see, let's see, expiration date. They expire in July 2031. So you definitely don't want to eat this without any water. The consistency is kind of like eating sugar cookie dough, but the taste is fine and obviously work in a pinch. So I'll stick those in some of my E&E bags. Next we have the Blowfish Survival Tent. So that's this bad boy right here. So obviously packed small with a pretty small profile there. Let's see, inside we've got some cordage and some stakes. And basically this is like that space blanket type material. And it's circular so that when you pin it down and run your cordage, you can make yourself a little one-man tent there. So the tent size when it's expanded is 33.5 inches high, 39 inches wide, and 93.5 inches long. When it's packed, it's 6.75 inches and a 3-inch diameter and weighs 12 ounces. So definitely a good little thing to stick in an E&E bag or in your hiking bag in case you ever get stuck out there in the woods. You have something to give yourself some cover. All right, so that was it for the basic box. Not too satisfying there. All right, next we've got the advanced box. This is the Tactica M.300 precision bit driver. Okay, and it's just as you can imagine. Try to get that in focus for you. So down at the bottom end, we have a little spot for bits. This top end will rotate, so if you were holding it in place, you could use that. Now when you take off the back piece, this will slide out with all your bits. We've got S218, Phillips bit 1, a torque 10, torque 16, Phillips 2, 5/32, 3/32, flat tip, a T8, Phillips 0, and an 1/8. So basically you'll just pop one of these out on the side here, drop it in the bottom, put your cover back on, and then slap your magnetic back piece on, and there you go. Then you have yourself a little bit driver there. So that's a nice handy little compact bit driver. Probably keep that in the vehicle. But yeah, feels pretty good quality. It's good steel or aluminum. Not sure what it's made out of here. Either way, it's small, it's portable. Probably keep that with a everyday carry type of a situation. And that was it for the advanced box. All right, so it looks like because they saved it all for the Pro and the Pro Plus. So for the Pro box, we get a Rocket Gator Hydric 40-liter waterproof backpack. Lord, there's a lot of things hanging off here. Okay, so on the back, we've got a nice little back padding, nice padded shoulder straps. You do have a kidney strap, not padded. Looks like you got some water bottle holders on the side. Got some good bungee straps in the front. Not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but let's see. So right around here, there is a little zippered pouch. And then there's kind of like a laptop type of pouch on the inside there. The material is the same as any kind of dry bag if you've ever had one. And the top kind of works the same there. You'll just kind of roll it. And clip the top, and then you've got fully waterproof bag there. Not sure how many liters it is. That's a 40-liter dry pack. So that I'll definitely keep for our boating activities. So we can put kind of all of our stuff in there. Because I use a lot of dry bags on the boat. But the thing is, you know, they don't usually have carrying straps. So it's kind of just honking it all together. At least with this here, throw it all in there and sling it on your back like a backpack. Much easier to get your stuff around. All right, and that was it for the Pro Box. And now the Pro Plus, or AKA the Knife of the Month Club. And I kind of see why everything else they skimped out on. So this is the Battle Bolt designed by Doug Marcada. Let's see, the blade steel is D2 tool steel. Blade length 13 inches, overall length 18.5 inches. The handle is a G10 and it weighs 1 pound and 7 ounces. Now, this thing is a beast. Let's get this out the way. Sorry, I got about 700 projects going on in here right now. All right, and there is the packaging. Holy jeez. All right, so we've got a nice plastic sheath, little teeth on the belt clip to help hold it into place. It has a little strap there. Oh gosh. What do they say in Crocodile Dundee? That's not a knife. This is a knife. So super fine tip here. Backside you got some serrated edges. And obviously that's going to have a full tang on it. And then it feels pretty good in the hands too. That is one heck of a pig stabber right there. Okay, no idea what I'm going to do with this thing. Looks a little too pretty to bring out to the woods. But it is a nice piece regardless. All right, and that is all of it. So, overall thoughts. Super glad about the backpack. Really cool looking knife. And the bit driver is pretty cool. If you were just a basic box subscriber this month, sorry. Not much in there on that one, but so yeah, don't know. Mixed feelings about this box, and mainly because there's not a bunch of stuff that I'll get a whole bunch of use out of. But hey, you win some, you lose some. That's why it's called a mystery box, right? Go ahead and put your comments down below. Tell me what you think about this month's box. Are you on the side of me that not so much useful things in this box, or is there some things that you really needed that were in that box? As usual, if you have any questions about anything that's in the box, just put that down in the comment section. I'll answer it to the best of my ability. And if there's anything in particular you want me to try to test on the channel, please put that down there also. I'll try to get my hands on it and get that test done for you. Other than that, it's going to do it. We'll see you next time. Bye.